Alright guys, what's up? What's up? So, dumating na po ang aking package today. So, ito na po siya. Yan. And, nag-decide po ako sa sarili ko na I'm going to make my own shirt for my vlog. You know, and, syempre, I have all the materials here needed for my t-shirt printing. So, this is the best way na, you know, I'm tired of those signature clothing. So, I have to create my own. So, this time, I'm going to unbox my package. So this is it, and yeah, so nung in-order ko siya at dumating siya after 3 days. And yes, andito yung order slip. Ayan, andito na po yung order slip natin. And then we'll check kung kompleto ba lahat ng in-order ko. So guys, these are all the items that I ordered from Bulk Apparel. So let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have 16 colors of shirt. So bilangin natin siya ngayon. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have 16 colors of shirt that I'm going to make my own logo or like my own design. So ito siya. So sana maganda ang kahinatnan. Actually, I love colorful shirt kasi mas attractive siya pag nasa camera. Lahat to 16 different colors. So ayan. And of course, nag-order din ako ng 10 pieces of white shirt dahil sa susunod kong mga vlog, gagawa ko ng tie-dye shirt. So, kaya yan. Actually, order na ako sa Amazon ng mga tie-dyes ko. So, probably tomorrow darating na siya. And then, once I have it, start na tayo for this project. And so, I have 16 different colors of t-shirt. And I order 3 colors of pullover hoodies. So this is black, dark gray, and ash gray. And I'm excited to create my own brand shirt at gagamitin ko ito sa pagbablog ko. So after this, I'm going to edit for my design. I have my printer there, I have my Cricut machine, and I have my heat press. So sisimulan ko na ang pag-i-edit para tuloy-tuloy ang paggawa ko ng t-shirt. And then, I'll show it to you kung ano magiging kahinatnan ng aking t-shirt project. Okay guys, let's go to editing. So hello guys, welcome back. At nakapag-edit na tayo ng aking logo for my t-shirt and for the hoodie. So, come on, let's check it out. So, ito na guys, ang isa sa mga kulay ng ididikit kong design para dun sa t-shirt. Sa t-shirt ko is what I have is 4 colors. The first one is black. The next one is super light yellow. The next one is light pink. And the other one is white. So, i-distribute ko yun, lahat ng color sa t-shirts na mga binili ko. And for the hoodies, since I have 3 hoodies, I'm going to have this color orange, light blue, and pink. After this, I'm going to print it, and then after I print it, I'm going to cut it with my Cricut Explore Air 2. And then after that, I'm going to heat press the transfer paper. Alright, so stay tuned, and I'm going to print all these designs and cut it. So, ayan guys, nakita nyo na yung design, and then after that, ipiprint ko na yung design ko with my transfer paper. This is ready for printing now. So now we're going to load the transfer paper, and it's ready for printing. So ayan guys, natapos na natin i-print ang ating design. So what's next is we're going to stick it on this Cricut grip plastic. Ayan, and then i-flatten na natin. After nyan, isasalang natin dito sa Cricut machine, and then let the Cricut machine cut the outline of this design. So idikit lang natin tong printed design natin dito sa Cricut light grip. Ayan, and then i-flatten natin para dumikit. Para once na kinat na siya ni Cricut, hindi siya matutuklap. So, ngayon, ayan na, dumikit na. Nakadikit na siya. Ayan guys, nakadikit na. And then, what we're going to do next is, ilalagay lang natin dito yung paper, yung itong plastic grip na to dito. Ayan. So, after nito, i-press lang natin to. At hayaan na natin si Cricut ang mag-cut ng ating design. So, sa ngayon, in-scan niya yung outline natin, yung line, para sakto yung pag-cut niya mamaya. So, in-scan niya yung 4 sides of the paper. So, tingnan natin kung gaano ka powerful itong Cricut. So, ganun kagaling si Cricut Explore Air natin. So, mukhang successful ang pagkakat niya ng outline. So, itong black na to is para doon sa light colored t-shirt natin. So, finish na siya, and then push natin to para i-release na yung plastic grip. And then, we'll see. So, tutuklapin lang natin itong part na to na hindi nakakailanganin. Pero I have to save this because para mamaya pag nagdikit ako ng lettering doon sa t-shirt, ito yung magiging pattern ko para yung distance ng bawat letters parehas. So, ito ang gagawin kong pattern mamaya. Ayan. So, natanggal na natin itong hindi na magagamit. Ito, natanggal na natin. But I have to keep this para eksakto yung distance. Kung ano yung distance dito sa na-print, ganun din na magiging distance niya dapat dun sa shirt. So, I have to do this for all the colors. And same procedure lang naman ang gagawin ko. So, I have to finish printing and cutting. And then after that, i-demo ko mamaya kung paano ko siya idikit sa t-shirt. Alright? So guys, natapos nating i-print at i-cut yung mga design natin. So ngayon, gagawin natin is tatanggalin natin yung design para idikit na natin doon sa t-shirt. Ang gagawin natin ngayon, paplansyahin muna natin yung mga t-shirt para pag dinikit natin yung design, kalapat yung design natin. So, ito na guys. Natapos na natin i-print yung mga design natin. So, ito yung sa yellow. Ito pink para sa shirt. Ito yung black. And ito yung white para sa t-shirt din. And then, ito naman yung sa hoodies. Pink, orange, and blue. So, ang next na gagawin natin is itong shirt na to. This one is for pink. This one is for yellow. This one is for black. This one is for white. Para dito sa black is itong light blue. Para dito sa dark gray is orange. Para dito sa ash gray ay pink. So, ayan. Simulan na natin ang pag-print. So hello guys, natapos ko nang idikit yung transfer paper sa ating hoodies and t-shirts. After nito, lulutuin na natin yung transfer paper dun sa ating heat press para itong design sa t-shirt at hoodies natin is kakapit sa t-shirt at sa hoodies. So, eto na sila lahat. Ready na silang i-heat press at meron na akong susuoting t-shirt at hoodies for my vlog! Yay! So, ayan guys, naka-turn on na siya. Tapos, after nito, antay lang natin na mag 360 ang ating temperature para maluto na natin ng gusto ang ating transfer paper doon sa ating t-shirts and hoodies. Antay lang natin siya mag 360. Ito, tapos ito yung timer niya. Pag nabuo na natin yung 360 mamaya, that's the time na pwede natin isa lang ang ating t-shirts and hoodies. Antay lang natin uminit and then let's start na mag-press ng ating shirt, okay? Ready na tayong i-press ang ating design. So, I'm going to put the Teflon para hindi dumikit dito sa taas yung print. And then, we're gonna wait for 30 seconds. So, ayan na siya. Magkadikit na. So, ito na guys, yung finished product. And then, yung next natin gagawin is yung ibang jacket naman at ibang t-shirts ang ipe-press natin. So, ito na guys, ang aking finished product. Ayan. So, itong tatlong black na print, tatlong yellow na print, tatlong pink na print, and itong 6 na white na print. So, ayan na. Okay na lahat ang aking t-shirt for my personal use para sa aking vlog. At ito naman ang aking pullover hoodies. Ayan. At ready na silang suotin for my vlog. Alright. Okay guys, ito na ang aking finished product. Sana may natutunan kayo sa paggawa ng personalized shirt na to. And I'm excited to wear this on my next vlog. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!